back to A Day in the Life. If you're new, welcome. If you're an OG Rochielin supporter, aka a FAMIELIN member, hey, how you doing? So I'm at my most favorite place in the world, and that's the hardware store. You need to get the car. Oh, you can see me now. So we're at the hardware store because we're working on a DIY project. We're at Lowe's and we're about to pick up some stuff. So I figured, you know, let's vlog, let's take you guys on the journey. Since some of you requested that I do that, so here I am, daily vlogging. It's summer. Would you guys want to see me actually vlog for the summer, like regular vlogs? Like take you around what I do, some of the things that I do. Would you guys be interested in that? Hold on there, Sean gone left me. So in Lowe's, about to get a bunch of stuff, and I'll show you like some of the stuff we're working on. So keep watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me, and let's go. So we need to get some tools, and we're looking at the different brands. Comment below and tell me some good brand power tools. We already have some stuff, but we need like a new drill because the one that we have is just not powerful enough. So we need a more powerful drill. Oh, we need a jigsaw. You know, eyeballing all these different brands, and we're trying to make a decision on the best one. Or the best one first, or one that we can use. Like, I don't know. Tell me what's a good brand. So I think Sean likes this Craftsman one. Let's see. So they have a Father's Day sale going on. If you buy a leaf blower, then you get either a circular saw, hand vacuum, orbital sander, reciprocating saw, an oscillating tool, a grinder, a ratchet, or a jigsaw. So we're gonna get the blower and get the jigsaw, and then we're gonna buy a drill separately because the blower is good to have to blow out the trash, and then we need a jigsaw and the impact drill. That's really what we want. So that's what we're thinking of doing. But Sean just said the jigsaw doesn't come with a battery, so we're trying to see if the drill comes with a battery because it all use the same battery and charger. It's just a whole bunch of stuff. I believe everything should come up to around $170 plus tax, I think, but we'll see. We're now in the paint section because we need to find a whitewash, white stain, something to lighten wood. That one is a gel stain.
This was a thick white paintish one on one time.
Oh. Alright, so we're trying to find something. To leave because I didn't find the actual stain that I'm looking for. I'm looking for a white oak because I feel like it's gonna give us the finish that we're actually looking for, and Lowe's doesn't have it, but Walmart has it, so we're heading to Walmart. But we're gonna check out those things and let's get out of here. You know it's summer when all the girls are out. Look at this. They're so pretty. Look at that. This is for $98. It's not bad. That's not bad at all. They have all different types. This big old one is for the one dropper girl. I wonder what's the difference with that one and this one, because this one is $4.49. Part of it is charcoal, part of it gas. It's summer, baby. You know that the girls are out, the lawnmowers are out, the plants are out, the beach chairs are out. That's how you know it's summer. We're still out. In fact, we're on a mall. Look at this one, cultivating. Here you go.
Okay.
So we're about to head into World Market. I always have some cute things in here. Like, look at this egg chair.
Day has begun. It's been around.
This Jan vases with the pampas grass. It's so pretty. And I have like the cutest things ever. Look at this. I wonder how much. Oh, this is $150. And this poof, this faux fur poof, It feels like little mini balls inside. So cute. Look at this, it's so cute, but $700. But it's so cute. So we're in Walmart, we're looking for the stain. White oak stain. And this should be our last stop for the day, right? We should be able to go home now, right?
Hopefully.
It's like we've been on the road for a while, but look.
2 hours to be precise.
There we go. So it's a quick in and out. Oh, we need water. We need a case of water. So we need a cart. So it's a kind of quick in and out. Look at that.
This one.
Did you break it?
It's under there.
Teamwork makes the dream work. So we're back home and we're in our little workshop and we're about to get going with those DIY projects. This is one that's ongoing, but I'll tell you more about it a little later on. Remember the tools that we bought? Looking forward to see how those actually work. Hoping that we made a good purchase and they make sense, you know. Trying to get the wood to be a lighter color, so I'm hoping that this does what it says that it does. So let's see. So that's one of the tools that we just bought. That is the impact drill driver. What are your thoughts on it?
I'm actually in love with this tool. It's probably going to be one of my favorite tools going forward.
And do you recommend?
Yeah, I definitely recommend.
Okay.
Check back next 2 weeks, but I recommend right now.
Let's get to lightening this wood. Can't spill. Can't spill. Oh, look at that. Back inside. So I still have paint on my hand. Like what? So we're back inside and DIY project is still ongoing. We may or may not go back and finish up today, but I think it's more looking like tomorrow. But I do have some work to finish up and I'm gonna be doing that. But I also need to get rid of this thing off of my finger. And the thing is, you know, I had the can with the paint in one hand and had the camera tripod in the other hand, and I was trying to fix the tripod and then whoop, and the can of paint just spilled all over. It's just like, but I'm excited to see how the project turns out and for you guys to fully understand what it is. But for now, just watch along and yeah. So I'm gonna do some work and then I'll be back shortly. It's a new day! We're back in the workstation and we're about to get some work done. Remember I had lightened the color of the wood yesterday? Look at it. It came out beautifully. It was whitewashed, so it did what I needed to do. But we're about to get to work and I'm so excited. How's your day going? So it's been a very long day and I skipped out a lot of it. I didn't vlog everything, but we're basically almost finished with the DIY project, but I'm gonna show you guys soon. Don't worry, don't worry. About to head on the road. Waiting on Sean to get ready because I'm actually ready before him for the first time. Lord, my background messy, but so another thing, when I come back, we need to take care of this situation. Like this situation, I need to take the locks out. Finally, I mean, I started yesterday because I cut it, but we need to take it out, wash my hair, and get it together because we're not together. So we need to get it together. And a lot of you have been asking about my hair care routine. So we'll see, we'll get to that. I'll show you what I use and so that you guys can get some of the same stuff too. But I always get that question, and if you're an OG Rochielin fan, you would have known that the channel actually started with me doing my hair, you know, and then it kind of evolved into what it is. Many different evolutions happened over here, and I also installed these locks myself, even though they're looking like a hot mess right now, but it's been 2 months, so it's time to get rid of them. What did I just say? It's time to get rid of them. So I'm finally done. My hair is all pulled out and it's now time to wash it, but I'm not gonna do it tonight. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but it's dirty. Look at that. Muck. Today is the day that I'm finally gonna be washing my hair. I realized that I don't have everything I need to wash my hair, so we're heading to the hair store. Okay, so I am now inside the hair store. I'm looking for co-wash. So I'm looking for the Eden brand. I'm unable to find it. Actually found, so I found, this is the brand, and I found they have a styling elixir and a shampoo, but I'm not seeing the co-wash cleanser, so I'm gonna go to my backup, which is usually the As I Am brand, and get this coconut co-wash instead, but usually it's the co-wash for that brand. So it's time to jump in the shower and wash this bad boy out, but just look at how dirty it is. Like, it's gross, and I'm sorry for grossing you out, but this is what it looks like when you take out braids or locks, or, you know, especially if you had it in for a long time. Like, a lot of things cake up, like ugh. So usually if my hair is extremely dirty, then I'll use a shampoo to wash and then a co-wash after. But so like this, when I take out braids, I need the shampoo to get out all of the gunk. But on a normal basis, if I'm not wearing additional hair and I'm just washing on a weekly basis like I usually do, then I'll wash with a co-wash cleanser. And the one I usually use, like I told you in the store, the one I usually use is from a brand called Eden Coconut Co-Wash Cleanser, but they didn't have that in the store today, so I got my backup, which is the As I Am. It was $13. I paid $13 for it, so it's fairly inexpensive. We're gonna wash with the shampoo first and then the co-wash, but the reason I wash with a co-wash cleanser is because it's kind of like a cleanser and a conditioner in one, so it's not as harsh and as strong as a shampoo, because you know when you wash your hair with shampoo, it tends to really wash it and to strip off all the oils and everything off your hair. And my hair is not that dirty. I don't need that heavy stripping to go on, so I use a cleanser, which is a lot more lighter on the hair. It cleans the hair and it conditions the hair. I don't even need to use a conditioner after. Just use it twice and I'm good to go. But because my hair is so dirty, and I'm gonna need to wash. There are times where I use a mask, especially when it's this dirty, like one of those masks I use from the Eden brand, or from, you can use whatever brand you have. But there are also times where I use like natural hair mask, like I'd mix up the aloe vera and put that in my hair, or I'd do like a combination of different things from the kitchen, but I don't have none of that today. So this is not my truest hair routine, but it's one-off because, you know, each time is different anyways. The shampoo I'm gonna be using is just the shampoo that's in the house, which is this. That's just what's here, so I'm just gonna be using that to shampoo. And then I'm gonna go in with the As I Am cleanser, and then we'll pick up from there.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You see.
So I'm basically just coating my hair with the shampoo and can get out as much of this gunk as possible. Look how much of my hair coming out. Anytime I braid my hair or add extensions, you know, hair is dead, but then there's like a lot of additional dead hair that's coming on. So I like to give it a good scrub. Get the scalp good. And I know it may look a little rough, and it is. But that's what it takes to get it clean, you know? At times, what I do is like section my hair in 4 parts. Like this, so I have 2 here and then 2 here. And then I just work through each section so that, you know, I cover all bases. Because sometimes when I do just one big one, and when I'm done, it's still dirty. Because I have a lot of hair, you know. So I like to section it. I feel like soap in my eye. I forgot. You guys are really hearing. Also a hair care routine. Here it is. It's a hair wash tutorial. You see the middle? So now that I rinse the shampoo out, I'm going to use the co-wash cleanser. The good thing about this, as I said, it's a cleanser and a conditioner in one. So I'm able to treat it like a conditioner and start to detangle my hair. Like I mentioned, I like to put it in sections as well to make sure that it is adequately coated. And I'm very generous with the amount that I use. If you know, you know. When the hair is wet, it shrinks so much. Look how small my hair looks. It's so small, it shrinks up. But when it dries, it will be like a big poof. For now, shrinkage is real. I'm just making sure that I have every single strand of my hair is coated with the cleanser. Time to detangle. The detangling is in sections, so we're gonna start with over here. And I have a wide tooth or big teeth comb, and then start from the tip and work your way up. My hair is knotted right now, but yeah, this is the way to do it. Start from the tip and then you gradually go up. And I only do this when my hair is wet and has conditioner in or the cleanser in. Otherwise, I'd be tearing up my hair and we don't want that. So we can even make it a little smaller and take it like a section at a time. There we go. That's detangled. On to the next. So just look at the difference in different sides. Now that this side is detangled, see my hair is layered, so it goes down. This is all hair on this side and nothing on this side. I tell a man shrinkage, but since I comb it out, we can see it comes down a little bit more than this one that's up. Alright, so we're fully detangled now, so time to rinse out. I'm out of the shower now and we need to do something to this. So I like to moisturize, seal, oil. Right, I moisturize and oil. So I usually use this hair butter cream and it's from a brand called Rochielin Naturals, and it's a Jamaican brand. I buy it in Jamaica at Discount Pharmacy, and I use this sealant afterwards. But this is empty. This is done. And as you know, I'm not in Jamaica, so all I have is this. What I'm gonna do instead is put some leave-in conditioner, which is from the same Eden brand where I tried to get the co-wash but they didn't have it. So I'm gonna put this, and then I'm gonna use the sealant on the hair and on the scalp. Ignore my bottle, but I'm gonna use castor oil. So I have castor oil from Jamaica, dark black authentic Jamaican castor oil, and that's what I use for my scalp. So that's the game plan. The castor oil has been so good to me, so good to my scalp. Enriches the scalp, nourishes the scalp, help the hair to grow, you know, any patches or anything like that, it helps with all of that. So it's really good, but you have to make sure that you're getting the authentic Jamaican castor oil, not the ones they sell in store, because that one is not good, not the same. And especially when you're getting castor oil, you have to make sure that whoever made it did not add any salt to it, because I tend to add salt to it to stretch it, and then that breaks the hair. So let's do that. This is really to prep the hair before styling. This is the leave-in conditioner. Again, I can part it in 4 sections. This is the sealant. It's thick, but it have like a combination of different oils. To kind of coat the hair and to, you know, kind of trap the moisture in the hair. So what happens, what I like about this, it allows my hair to feel moisturized for a very long time. You know, like sometimes you moisturize your hair and then days later it's just so dry. With this product, I don't get that. Like, it's moisturized for like the whole week. This, yeah, I love that. Like, if I try to do anything, I was like, oh my god, my hair still feels good. And right now my hair feels so soft. So that's the thing now, with the combination of the co-wash cleanser and then these products, my hair stays soft all week. When I use the shampoo, my hair feels hard. It's like dry and feels brittle. But with the co-wash and then the moisturizer and sealant, so that's why I use it. So, you know, if you have thick hair, then you can try this out too. Or if you know, anyone you know, your daughter or whatever, because I do receive your emails. I get emails from even fathers asking me how I care for my hair because they want to help their daughters, and I think that's so cute, so freaking cute to see the father is making an effort. I wish I had that growing up. That's for the moisturize and the seal. And then, as I was telling you to ignore my bottle earlier, but it's actually not one of those ketchup bottles or like condiment bottles. I put the castor oil in, and it makes it easy for me to just go in on the scalp and coat the scalp like that, you know. I mean, I need to part it out a little. Alright, so let's do what I usually do. Let's hold this to one side. Good. So I literally just open it out. Can you see? And then just run it along there, in the middle of here. And kind of just like put it in, and then I use my fingers and kind of like spread it around. I do that all over until all your scalp is oiled. And that's the beauty about this bottle. Probably not the right bottle, but that's what I had here, so I decided to use it and it worked. Then I just comb it through and then do everything, and then you style it however you usually style it here. But for now, put in a twist and move on to the next section. Cute. Cute, right? Alright, so my entire hair is washed, moisturized, oiled, and ready for styling. So that's it now. It's ready to take on any style I want to. Whether I'm gonna put it back in braids or locks or leave it out or whatever. But this is basically the process of washing and prepping my hair for styling. And I'm gonna leave it like this for right now. I'm gonna go get something to eat because your girl has been washing her hair for a long time and I'm hungry. So I'll see you back. I'll see you soon. So it's a few days later and I don't know if it's obvious to you guys yet, but I'm not home. But I need to get this hair situation fixed up. So my hair has been like this for a couple of days, just the way y'all left it last. The same 4 plaits. So we need to style it and make it look a little more presentable. It's actually Father's Day, so I'm at my mom-in-law's house and they're having a Father's Day celebration around the back. So I need to, you know, can't go there looking like this, right? I feel like I look like 20 or 18 or 22. I don't know. How old do I look right now? Comment below. I look so yellow. But for the styling, let's try to comb out this bad boy. Let's see what's going on. You see, remember I told you like the combination of the co-wash and the moisturizer and oil makes my hair so soft even days later. Look at that. Feels soft and feels moist. I think my hair ends need to be clipped, but not today. So we're going up with it. So we're doing the up afro puff on the top of the head, but I'm gonna slip the edges in. So basically just applying the gel right around the perimeter so we can brush it in so it can lay down slick, you know, nice and sleek, and then we leave the top as a puff. You also have to now tie it down so that it can set and stay in place. You basically just make the kerchief like this. You see where there's like kind of in like a quarter, it's like a flat surface, and then I'm gonna put it down on the hair. Tie it for like 20 minutes so that it holds everything in place. And then once it's in place, then I'll take it off and I'll show you guys when. Now basically just waiting for this to dry and set, and then we're set.
Rochielin, 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 with the vlogging. Rochielin, 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 a good thing. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's Rochielin. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Cause she not boring.